The magic bullet of protein: when you have just trained so intensely, especially after resting for a while, then you are more prone to get sore muscles a day after your training. Muscle soreness can be very burdensome, as you experience pain in every move you make. With that, you should know all the reasons behind sore muscles and what you can do to prevent them. Well, the basis of this is the consumption of proteins. The essence of protein to muscles: proteins are essential to help tissues repair themselves and supply a leaner body structure. There are so many uses of proteins you may never know. In fact, they can also be used as energy when the carbohydrate sources are empty. Aside from that, they strengthen your immune system and give you skin that is smooth in texture. It has anti-aging benefits, enhances memory, and so much more. This is why proteins are pretty valuable and should be saved for their functions instead of using them as energy. The right kind of proteins: choosing the right kind of protein is essential to give you the advantage of having a lean body mass without the risk of sore muscles. The advice below is from an expert trainer, Taoist master Tommy Kirchhoff. He studied the popular martial arts Sheng Long Fu and is the Grand Master of Victor Sheng Long Fu. He is a versatile fitness expert and is credited for contributing effective advice to fitness enthusiasts. Not all have known this fact: proteins are made to function equally as compared to carbohydrates and fats.
So people are so wrong when they just invest in eating chicken alone.
All proteins are a definite cure for intense training, and they should be eaten in the most absorbable form. Why? This is because muscles need an immediate source of protein to supply their needs, especially during a heavy workout. With that, you need to opt for protein powders, as they give the quickest and most absorbable type of proteins to work and repair your body tissues. In order to find out which powdered proteins are best for you, just visit your personal trainer or sports nutritionist. You can also visit a sports house in your area or GNC stores. Now, if you don't just have the right budget to buy these powdered proteins, which can be expensive by the way, you can opt for egg whites. The only thing that you should remember is this: you have to eat them raw and fresh. Yes, you can get the most amino acids in raw fresh eggs as compared to cooking them. The reason for this is because as soon as you cook the egg, the structure of its proteins changes significantly, making it less absorbable. So manipulating an egg white, even if you shake, blend or stir them, has effects that you may never know. In fact, your body may not even use the proteins completely. Therefore, whenever you need the best proteins next to the powdered ones, get fresh eggs, separate the yolks since they contain too much fat and cholesterol, and swallow them up.